The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is the pure definition of American luxury reimagined for the open road. Cadillac, a brand that has always symbolized prestige, elegance, and innovation, has transformed the motorhome into something far beyond an RV. It's a traveling mansion wrapped in futuristic technology and timeless design. From the outside, the Cadillac Motorhome is instantly recognizable. Its sleek silhouette stretches long and commanding, with Cadillac's bold illuminated grille at the front, glowing like a jewel in the night. Vertical LED headlights cascade down the fascia, mirroring the brand's signature design language, while polished chrome accents glint against the deep, metallic paint. Massive wheels with sculpted aero covers complete its road-dominating presence, making this motorhome look more like a luxury yacht gliding across asphalt. Step inside, and the world outside seems to disappear. The interior feels like stepping into a high-rise penthouse suite. Plush leather seating, hand-stitched and quilted with Cadillac's signature craftsmanship, wraps around the main lounge. Ambient lighting flows across every contour, with customizable tones that set the perfect mood. Floor-to-ceiling smart glass windows bathe the cabin in natural light during the day, then shift to privacy mode at night with a simple voice command. The living space is designed for relaxation and grandeur. A 120-inch hidden OLED screen rises silently from the wall, transforming the lounge into a cinema. Reclining seats adjust automatically to your posture, while a surround sound system turns movies and music into an immersive escape. The kitchen is equally refined, outfitted with modern luxury appliances finished in brushed metal and crystal. A smart induction cooktop, dual refrigerators, and a climate-controlled wine cabinet ensure that even on the road, you dine like royalty. Hidden storage and marble-inspired countertops give elegance while keeping everything practical for life in motion. At the rear, the master suite is nothing short of a sanctuary. A king-sized floating bed rests under a panoramic skylight, allowing you to drift asleep under starlit skies. The suite features its own entertainment system, climate zone, and even a personalized scent diffuser, giving you an environment tailored exactly to your preferences. The bathroom brings spa-level comfort with a rainfall shower, heated floors, and modern fixtures finished in gold accents. Technology is at the core of the Cadillac Motorhome. The cockpit is futuristic yet sophisticated, with a retractable steering system and a massive curved OLED dashboard. A holographic AR windshield projects navigation, performance, and even weather conditions directly in view, while Cadillac's advanced AI co-pilot handles autonomous driving, campsite setup, and even energy management. Powering this majestic machine is Cadillac's state-of-the-art Ultium electric platform, paired with hydrogen range extender technology for long-distance travel. The result is whisper-quiet performance, instant torque, and extended off-grid capability. Solar panels integrated into the roof and regenerative systems ensure you can travel further without compromise. Adaptive suspension makes every ride smooth, whether cruising highways or navigating rugged landscapes. Safety is uncompromising. LiDAR, radar, and 360-degree cameras create a digital shield around the motorhome, while advanced driver assist features make long journeys effortless. Security drones launch from the roof, scouting the road ahead or providing live surveillance at your campsite. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is more than just transportation, it's a statement of power, freedom, and refined taste. It represents Cadillac's leap into the future, where the road becomes your kingdom and every destination feels like home. This is luxury redefined, mobility elevated, and adventure wrapped in elegance only Cadillac could deliver.